This video is going to be your trusty tour guide to help you through the jungle full of gym bros and science. We're going to be going over the best 5 supplements that you should be taking that's actually worth your money and might actually help you build muscle. Now, if you don't know me, my name is Adam, aka Puffy, aka Puffy's Got Buffy. And I am not another generic BS influencer. I don't really care about the clout and the fame. I actually just want to give you practical and actual and factual information. And if you didn't know, I actually lost 150 pounds. I'm not just pulling this nonsense out of my butt. I've also helped over 110 people lose over 50 pounds and keep it off for the rest of their life. And today, we're gonna be diving into the world of supplements. You know, those magic little pills and powders that promise to turn you in from a mere mortal into actual Hercules himself. Now, spoiler alert, most of these are as useful as a waterproof towel. They don't work. And it's a lot of facade and BS. But fear not, I have braved the wilderness of scientific research to bring you the 5 supplements that might actually not be a complete waste of your hard-earned money. So number 1, we're gonna have to talk about creatine. It's like the poster child for supplements. It's also the number 1 most researched supplement on the planet Earth. There's actually more studies done on it than my high school report card. Creatine is like that quiet kid in the back of the class that ends up turning into like that really rich tech mogul. It works by turning you into an Energizer bunny, letting you lift more, sprint faster, and who knows, maybe even jump over tall buildings. So if you want to feel like you have cheat codes for the gym, then start loading up on creatine. However, be advised, or don't be surprised that if you start holding onto water like a camel. So what you can do is a loading phase for about 2 weeks to let your body adapt to this, where you consume about 20 grams a day. However, personally, I don't really think you need that. I would just start anywhere from 5 to 10 grams a day and incorporate it either in your pre-workout, in your intra-workout, or post-workout. Or if you're not working out at all, just put 5 grams with a little bit of salt in your protein smoothie or protein shake of the day. Next, we have the beloved protein powder. It's like the foundation of every gym goer's diet. Now, for a lot of you watching this, trying to hit your protein target every day is like trying to complete a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. It's kind of difficult. So enter protein powder. It's quick, it's easy, it's kind of cheap, it's relatively quick on digestion, and it's gonna come in a range of flavors from decadent chocolate cake all the way to regrettable, stale birthday cake. Now, I don't want to go over in too much depth of how much protein to consume in this video, mainly because it's going to take too long and I have other videos breaking this down. However, shoot for 1 gram of protein per body weight or your goal body weight. I would also highly recommend do not exceed more than 30% of your protein intake from supplements. It literally says it in the name. It is supplementary. It should not be 50 to 80% of your protein consumption every single day. Third on our list is going to be Citrine Mal. It's a supplement so good at reducing fatigue that it might just become your new best friend on leg day. It's like giving your muscles a pep talk, letting you crank out a couple extra reps and making post-workout soreness a thing of the past. Citrine Mal boosts performance by increasing your ATP and reducing fatigue. It basically allows for more reps and faster recovery. Now, if only you could do the same thing for my crippling fear of talking to women. Number 4, good old caffeine. The hero we don't deserve, but we definitely all need and overconsume. Caffeine energizes your workouts, your day, or pretty much any mundane task that you're doing. However, if you consume too much of it, it's definitely going to lead to frequent bathroom breaks. The RDA, or the recommended daily allowance for caffeine, is 400 milligrams. For reference, one 300 milligram Red Bull can has approximately 200 grams of caffeine. Exceeding the RDA will definitely lead to insomnia, heart problems, higher anxiety and stress, so be cautionary. I would also highly recommend to be considerate of the timing that you're consuming your caffeine, because caffeine stays in your bloodstream for up to 12 hours. So do not have caffeine no longer than 8 hours prior to sleeping, because it will affect your sleep. Finally, we have BetaAlanine, often overlooked yet powerful at helping improve your performance and workouts. It acts as a workout nitro boost, helping you get additional reps and a better pump. But be aware of the unique tingling sensation. I like to refer to it as itchy butthole. But I mean, hey, no pain, no gain. You definitely get used to it over time. The RDA for BetaAlanine is between 3 to 6 grams, and there has been no adverse side effects for taking this for long periods of time. And so there you have it, the 5 best supplements that will actually be worth spending your hard-earned money on and might actually help you build a bit of muscle in the process. But remember, supplements may give you a bit of an edge, but it cannot and will not Replace hard work ethic, dedication, and consistency, and a diet that doesn't solely consist of pizza and dreams and wishes. Now, speaking of diet, if you like this video, then you will love the video that I made called Nutrition Masterclass, where in that video, I go into full depth going over everything you'll need to know about your protein, carbs, fat, your macros, your diets, and the 5 best tips in order to get you to lose fat. Plus, you're gonna get a free ebook. So that link will be in the description below. So if you're struggling on your weight loss journey and you don't know where to start, what to do, you're overwhelmed with all this information on the internet, then book a call with me and join the 115 people that I've helped lose over 50 pounds and keep it off for the rest of their life. That link will be down below. It'll be the first link in the description. Now, thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. It really does mean a lot to me. A lot of time and effort goes into making these. If you can, it's 100% free. Please like this video because it helps with the algorithm. Send this to someone that you think might find it helpful and useful. Maybe send it to someone who works at GNC because they don't know what they're doing. And also subscribe for more videos like this because I really do want to help you on your weight loss journey or your health and fitness journey in general. So until next time, I will see you in the next video.